In this video we give a short overview of the Islamic perspective on social justice and equality. Social justice and equality are fundamental principles in Islam. The Islamic perspective on these principles is rooted in the belief in the oneness of God and the unity of humanity. This belief forms the basis for promoting social justice and equality in Muslim communities. One of the central concepts in Islam that promotes social justice is zakat, which is the act of giving alms to the poor and needy. Zakat is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, and it is considered a duty for Muslims to give a portion of their wealth to those in need. This practice helps to ensure that wealth is distributed more evenly in society and reduces poverty. Another important concept in Islam that promotes social justice is the idea of brotherhood and sisterhood among Muslims. In Islam, all Muslims are considered equal and are brothers and sisters in faith. This promotes a sense of community, and encourages Muslims to support and help one another, particularly those who are less fortunate. In addition to these concepts, Islam also promotes equality in all aspects of life, including gender, race, and ethnicity. Islam teaches that all human beings are equal in the eyes of God, and discrimination based on any of these factors is forbidden. Furthermore, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself set an example of promoting social justice and equality. He emphasized the importance of treating all people with kindness and respect, regardless of their social status or background. Overall, the Islamic perspective on social justice and equality is grounded in the belief in the oneness of God and the unity of humanity. Through practices such as zakat and the promotion of brotherhood and sisterhood, as well as the prohibition of discrimination, Islam aims to create a more just and equal society for all. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.